वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में हो, अव्यक्त वतन में हो, हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में हो, उस मीठे से वतन में।
Today is Sadhguru Baba's day. So I was offering Bhog and sharing everyone's love with Baba. And Baba was giving very, very loveful drishti to each child. And all of us also were taking drishti from Baba. A beautiful sharing of drishti. So I was looking at Baba and Baba said, while sharing drishti, Baba is looking at everyone's fortune. Baba says all the children are very fortunate. Baba said it is based on the efforts. It is also based on whatever children are using in a worthwhile way. But also receiving blessings. Baba gives blessing to children when children have courage. Children make efforts, and especially extra efforts. So your fortune is based on your efforts, but also on Baba's blessings. So after a few moments, then Baba said that some children, they still thinking that how to create more fortune. And then Baba gave very good example of Brahma Baba, that how Brahma Baba, when we had vision of Vishnu and had faith that this is what I am going to become, so he knew that there is a big fortune there. So it's not just fortune of future, but Baba wanted for different, children, parents to have some place. So he bought these 5 buildings. How many buildings are now? How much it has multiplied? How many buildings? Baba was looking at me. I said, I can't count, but there are thousands. So at present also, Baba said, when you do it with bhavna and faith, even at present, everything multiplies. So your fortune is not only for conference age, But this fortune will last you whole kalpa. Baba has special love for children because all the children have very beautiful thoughts to sustain the yajna. And they see every Baba's place as part of yajna. So there is lot of love, and in everyone in whatever capacity they can, but all are sustaining yajna. And while sustaining, also creating fortune. So Baba said, so I was saying to Baba that many children, your children are asking that they have great pull to go to Madhuban. So Baba, you call us to subtle regions, but when will you call us in Madhuban? Mhm. So Baba was smiling, looking at me. Baba said, yes, Baba will call you all to Madhuban. So I'm just saying when, right? Mhm. Baba said Baba won't give exact date, but remember that Baba has said Baba will definitely call you to Madhuban. And then Baba said that mm, children have lot of love for Madhuban. There is a great pull to go to Madhuban. But also at this time, always think that I belong to an unlimited spiritual family. So within the family, give everyone each other cooperation. Some need cooperation through our good wishes, pure feelings, through mind. Some needs cooperation by hearing words which can help them to keep courage or to keep well. But also in whatever way, anyone needs cooperation. Because Baba says this unlimited family is your world. You all will be together in golden age. So now is the time to create a very spiritual, cooperative, loveful relationships within the family. And everyone should feel, oh, I belong to such a big family, so that their heart is comfortable. Internally, they feel, yes, I have so many brothers and sisters. So Baba today was saying that yagya and family and your fortune. So Baba said, Baba wants to also give love remembrances, and you all doing, Baba said, good efforts. Some are doing special extra efforts also, because Baba has given you time for making efforts. So use your thoughts, your time, your breath, everything in a worthwhile way. And then Baba gave lots of love remembrances for everyone.